Does it look like nothing's happening yet? Let me share with you a quantum leap in your manifestations to attract what you want quicker and faster than you may think. And this is going to shock you. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. What you want is on the way. You just got to learn this thing first to see it show up in your life. Let's dive right into the video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Okay, so quantum leap. I was talking to my friend the other day. He hasn't made money in over 6 months, and he was starting to get a little bit nervous. And we were talking, and he had a project that he was working on, and he was starting to get nervous. He was starting to feel the nerves. It's been over 6 months. He was really starting to get stressed. And guess what ended up happening? In 1 week, he made more money than in 6 months combined. Just last week, more money than the previous 6 months combined. I call that a quantum leap. And you may think that what you want might not be coming. Is this working? Where's my soulmate? Where's the money? Where's the new job? It's called a quantum leap. And a quantum leap is a non-linear growth. Generally, the intellectual mind thinks of growth in a linear fashion, which is like, I haven't made money in 6 months. It doesn't seem realistic for in 1 week for me to make 6 months more than I had in 12 months, just like taking off my income to like more money than I made in 1 month ever in my life, happening after 6 months of the worst months in my adult life. That doesn't seem logical. It's a quantum leap that you can't explain, a miraculous growth that occurs. And that's what happens on the manifestation process. It's just that most people get in reactionary consciousness to the limitations around them, and they block the quantum leap from occurring. Meaning they're listening to the evidence that their senses are telling them. Oh, I'm broke, the money's not coming. Oh, every guy that I'm meeting is the wrong guy. My soulmate isn't out there. Right? And it goes on and on and on, and we start reacting to the world around us. But when you react to the world around you, the limitations of the world get embedded in your own consciousness, and you project those limitations out in the world. You stay in that frequency of limitation. Instead, moving into creation consciousness by affirming, comment down below, all I want is here now. Comment down below, all I want is here now. Comment down below, all I want is here now. See, manifestation often occurs like the Chinese bamboo tree. And it's this really interesting story. So the Chinese bamboo tree, a certain type of bamboo, you put it in the ground for 1 whole year, you water it, you nourish it, you do all the things. You don't even see any visible growth at all. You don't even see it. Same thing happens the next year. Same thing happens the next year. And it's not until the 5th year, and guess what? In 6 weeks on the 5th year, it grows 80 feet. For 5 years, nothing happens. And in 6 weeks, after 5 years of nothing happening, it grows 80 feet. Now, for you, it might be 3 weeks. It might be 1 year. I don't know. It all depends on what you're manifesting and how your subconscious might have been pre-programmed. But guess what? What you want will come. It is here now. And you have to keep affirming that. You have to keep connecting to that. Comment down below, I'm so grateful that I get all I desire. I'm so grateful I get all I desire. Staying in that energy, because immediately when you shift to reactionary consciousness, then you pull yourself out of the consciousness of the possibility for your future. Now, my friend kept affirming, I'm so grateful that what I want is here now. It's coming. I'm so grateful. This is the opportunity for me. I'm going to keep moving forward confidently in the direction of my dreams. Keep focusing. And then boom, in 1 week, the best financial year or the best financial week he's ever had in his entire life. That's called a quantum leap. And the way that you get a quantum leap is by not overreacting. when something doesn't happen the way that you want, when you're not getting the results as quickly as you want, not coming to these huge pessimistic conclusions like a few dates fail and you say, well, I'm always going to be alone. There's not the right guy out there. It's hard to find the right woman. When you aren't attracting the money you want, you don't say, it's too hard. This is not, I'm not smart enough. I don't have the resources. It's not that easy. Money doesn't grow on trees. When you come to these overly pessimistic reactions based off of the world around you, they imprint in your brain, in your subconscious, and they eliminate the possibility for a quantum leap, huge growth very quickly. When I was building this YouTube channel, I was getting like 20 views, 30 views on videos. Now I get a couple thousand in the first 60 minutes it's released. I was getting 20, 30 views in 24 hours. It was very disheartening. But I kept affirming that I was inspiring millions of people. I was so grateful for it. And guess what? In one day, after about 9 months of no progress, in one day, in one 24-hour period, I got more subscribers in one 24-hour period than I did in the previous 9 months on my entire channel combined. And then my channel took off out of nowhere. It's a quantum leap. Why? Because the universe is friendly. God is on your side. You are more powerful than you believe. You are deserving of what you want. There are great things on the way. It's time that you start being realistic and expecting miracles. The universe wants to reward you. Sometimes you have to push past the challenges, the times when nothing's happening, but there are good things on the way for you because you're a creator. You live in a friendly universe. There's more abundance than there could possibly be needed for everyone in this life, and that's you included. You're deserving of what you want. There are great things on the way. So comment down below, what I want is here now. Comment down below, I am deserving of all that I desire. Comment down below, I am deserving of all that I desire, and feel the truth of that. You're worthy of everything that you desire. There are great things on the way. Some of you are going to watch this video and that quantum leap is going to happen today. Out of nowhere, you're going to attract the person you've been wanting to attract, the money, the opportunity that you wanted to attract. It's going to happen today. It's going to happen soon. That's amazing. That's exciting. Keep hope. Keep faith. Stay confident. Move confidently in the direction of your dreams. Keep affirming and being grateful that what you want is already here. I'm not wishing that it happens. I'm so grateful that it is happening. It has happened. Thank you, universe, that I live in a friendly place. If you have not yet, make sure that you download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, to retrain your subconscious mind for success and abundance and get rid of any limiting thought patterns. It's totally free, jakeshypnosis.com. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there in the corner. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, double check you've hit the bell notification right over there, and comment down below, I am worthy of all that I desire. I am worthy of all that I desire. Comment that down below, and I'll see you on the next video.